Okay. Wait, girl. If you've ever struggled with putting on a wig and felt like you needed a PhD just to glue it down, then whew, you are so not alone. Like seriously, I've been there. Glue everywhere, edges crying and still not looking cute. But guess what? 2025 is coming in hot with some game-changing glueless wigs, and today I'm spilling all the tea on the best glueless wigs for sale in 2025. This is like the ultimate guide for every girl. Yes, you. Oh, and hey, if you're new here, hi, I'm Jennifer Angular. I talk about all things hair, beauty, and, you know, keeping it real. So if you're tired of struggling with wigs that fight back, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, okay? Number 1 is a game changer, so don't miss number 1. All the product link in the description. So, if you're looking for best human hair wigs, stick around. I have a $10 off with free shipping discount code available, link in description, or visit cutpromo.com. Let's dive in. Number 5, Nostalgia Blackwear and Go Glueless Wigs. Alright, so let's talk about this wig. I found it on Amazon. I'll drop the link below. It's that Nostalgia Glueless Straight Layered Wig, and it's honestly kind of a hidden gem. Like, I was not expecting much. I mean, it's synthetic, and sometimes synthetic wigs be trying to play us, right? But this one? Like hold on this one actually came ready to wear. The hairline is pre-styled, the cut is layered and super flattering, and the color, that deep, natural black, so classic. It literally looks like that effortless salon blowout look well, without a salon, or glue. I tried it on straight out the box. No plucking, no styling. Just adjusted the straps, and, girl, I was feeling myself, like, she's giving rich auntie going to brunch vibes. And it's lightweight too, like I wore it for hours, and didn't get that wig headache if you know what I mean. Now, just so you know it is synthetic, so don't expect to curl it with a flat iron, unless it says heat safe. But honestly, with this cut, you probably won't even want to change the style. Number 4, Honey Blonde Wig, Glueless Wig. Alright, let's get into this wig because I am honestly low-key obsessed. It's from Amazon, I'll link it down below. It's the Tagu Honey Blonde Glueless Synthetic Wig, and like, first off, that color? Ugh, it's giving golden hour, it's giving sun-kissed, it's giving Beyoncé in the early 2000s, and I'm not mad at it. And it's glueless, which for me is a huge win because, girl, I do not have the patience for glue and melting lace every single day. This one? You just adjust the strap, pop it on, finger comb it a little, and boom. Done. So this wig has those really soft, face-framing highlights, you know, that look that kind of makes your cheekbones pop a little? Yeah, it's got that. The parting space is pre-plucked and honestly looks really natural for a synthetic wig. Like, I was surprised. And the layers? It's got that soft swoop action going on. Very flattering. Very like, main character energy, you feel me? Only thing I will say, if you're super picky about texture, it's a synthetic blend so it's not like human hair soft, but for the price, it's kinda killing it. And honestly, if you're new to wigs, or just want something quick, cute, and easy, this is definitely one of the better glueless wigs I've seen this year. Number 3, Highlight Burgundy Wear and Go Glueless Wig. Okay, so I ordered this wig kinda on a whim. Like, the color looked cute online, but you know how Amazon be, right? It's always like, a little risky. But when I opened the box, girl, I was like, wait, this actually looks good. It's from a brand called Teslalia. I didn't know them either, but the quality? Surprisingly nice. So, first of all, this is a glueless wig, which means you literally just throw it on and go. No glue, no lace cutting, no drama. It's got the adjustable band inside, so it stays secure. Like I danced in this. I sweated in this. And she didn't move. The texture is that silky straight, but not shiny in a fake way, you know? Like it still gives natural. And the color? Ugh hits like this deep brown base with burgundy highlights that catch the light so nicely. It's like soft drama, just enough to stand out without being like, hey, I'm wearing a wig. So, like real talk, would I recommend it? Honestly? Yes. It's not perfect, okay. Like the parting space is a little narrow, so don't expect deep side parts or anything. But for the price, for the color, and for the pure convenience of not having to glue anything down, it's kinda a win. Number 2, Ombre Lace Front Wig Human Hair. So the brand is called Mega Look Hair kinda. Cute, right? And honestly, I didn't expect this much quality from Amazon. Like, no shade, but I've had some questionable wigs show up before, but this one? Girl. I was shocked in a good way. This is a glueless lace front, and the hair is actually human hair. Real human hair. And you can feel it, it's soft, it moves, and it doesn't have that weird factory shine, you know? So, this one is a highlighted ombre blend. You've got that warm brown at the roots, fading into lighter blonde tones. And it's not that harsh. Stripy blonde I it blends so nice. And the lace? Pre-plucked, bleached knots. I didn't have to do a thing. Just pop her on, adjust the strap, and boom, you're cute. I didn't even glue it down for this video. Like, tell me it doesn't look secure. What I love most is its lightweight. You know how some human hair wigs feel kinda heavy? This one doesn't, and it holds a curl, like so well. I used my wand curler, and the wave stayed all day. Okay, let's be real for a sec. No wig is 100% perfect. If I had to nitpick like really why nitpick, I'd say the hairline could be a bit more melted straight out the box. But nothing a hot comb and a lil edge brush can't fix. Number 1. Arabella Reddish Brown Lace Front Wigs. So, I found this on Amazon, and y'all, I was skeptical, okay? I've been burned by some lace fronts before. But this one from Arabella, she surprised me in the best way. It's a glueless lace front, 100% human hair, and straight out the box. It looked so good. The lace is HD, and it's already pre-plucked. I didn't have to do that whole long melt process. Just adjusted the straps, threw it on, and boomy was feeling myself. Okay, now let's talk color. This reddish brown? Bubby, it's not too red, not too dark, just this warm, rich tone that flatters every skin tone. It's silky, straight, but not thin. Like it has body, it moves, and it gives that real hair swing, you know? I got the 180% density in 24 inches. So yeah, she's serving length. But it still feels lightweight. Okay, real quick though, Lem, just say, the wig is gorgeous, but it does need a little love out the box. Like, give her a light wash or condition, maybe a little heat to flatten the part. But once you do, oof, she's ready. It's perfect for everyday wear or when you want to switch it up without the full lace drama. Anyway, that's my little guide on the best glueless wigs for sale in 2025. I hope it helps you find one that makes you feel confident, cute, and just ready to slay the day without dealing with messy glue and drama. Let me know in the comments which one you're eyeing, or if you already tried one that's fire. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next hair drop. All right, love y'all. Take care of your edges, stay hydrated, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.